What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and we got a huge update we got to do on the Tahoe build. We've just been so caught up on work, for one, two, busy with life, so it happens. But Chris is going to fill you in on a bunch of stuff that's been done to the Tahoe in the meantime. So let's check in with Chris and go from there.
What's up, guys? How's it going? So last time you guys seen this thing, it was just, I'm pretty sure the last update, it was just a short block. We just got the pistons and everything in, all the bearings and stuff. But as you can see now, we've kind of come a long way. It's a lot more than just, short block now. But we've had, like Derek mentioned, we've had a lot of stuff going on at the shop. And so we went ahead and had the heads freshened up. We did valve springs, push rods. We spec'd out the push rods, the whole valve train, all that stuff. We went ahead and got the injectors. So the fuel system, we got rails, fuel system. There's just so much. I don't even know where to start. We've been busy. We've been really busy. So we work during the day, and then I stay late and tinker with shit, and then that turns into me being here 4 or 5 hours working on it. And then we've been helping people out with other stuff and just a bunch of just life in general with holidays, everything. But so I've just been tinkering. It runs. We have clips for startup. I'm sure Derek will put them in
Right here.
It runs great, it sounds amazing, great oil pressure. I just got we'll lift it up in a second, I'll show you underneath. But so I got all the intercooler piping done, as you can see. I tried a couple different things. So I relocated the power steering cooler. I removed the trans cooler because we're going aftermarket and mounted it underneath. We got this big 30 by 12 by 3 or 31 by 12 by 3 intercooler. It's ran 180 down and 180 back up it's the only way that I could see fit of doing it and keeping all of the factory AC and heat and all the necessities that you need in a daily driver. So we got all that done. We got the turbo modified to make it a little bit easier. We didn't go V-band, we just went clamp style. We got our blow-up valve. We went ahead and deleted the MAF and did the IAT on it. All the wiring is ran through there. We deleted the factory expansion tank for the coolant, and we plumbed it and run it like this. So you got the fill bung up top and run straight to the water pump out to the heater core and back. So I'm not sure how efficient that's going to be, but I already have a plan for that if we have an issue. So we got the turbo kit on, it's bolted in, it ran. I fired it on stock rail, stock injector, stock MAF for first startup, let it run for a couple minutes, everything seemed good. So now we got Holly, Sniper Dash 8 rails, Deca 80s, the conversion harness. We have over here on the floor, we have the factory fuel tank. It has a drop-in Hellcat pump, so it's a 525. I'm just doing one pump for now. I'm pretty sure that our fuel system is going to, I think this is just a Gen 3 5.3. It's a stock Gen 3. I don't want to push it more than like 800 horsepower. So I think that our fuel system is going to be more than enough on pump gas. I have another pump, I have flex fuel sensors, I have everything to do E85 and another pump, but I don't think we need it. I think it's gonna make the power we want it to make without doing that on this block. So I already got plans of trying to find another 6.0 or something, building that. for like version 2.0 of this. But we're gonna get this running on what it is now. Should make decent power. I don't know what it's gonna make, but it runs, what else did we do?
A bunch, man.
It's everything. It's a running motor. So we got the trans built. So
and I forgot about the racing wires too.
Oh yeah, we got a set of Phillips racing wires.
Doesn't want to focus, but you can kind of see them. I think these are a 6-inch LS coil for
like
stock
that.
location coils.
Yeah. So we have we still have to get, the only thing that we're waiting on now, like the only thing it needs to get tuned is wiring and a downpipe. So I got to get it with the fabricator who's supposed to come last week. Something came up, he didn't show. So I got my buddy, I got a couple different people interested in doing it. I'm just not sure who I'm gonna go with yet. I guess it's whoever has time to do it when I need it. But they're gonna do it, get a downpipe, and get something for exhaust. I was gonna run it up to get it tuned if need be. I already have a downpipe for it over there, but so yeah, I'll save the worst for last. So I gotta wire in my fans, or order a harness, or make a harness. Probably just make one, means I have the factory truck harness already. So I gotta wire in the fans, pin those into the ECU, pin my speed sensor from my 4L80 into the ECU, run a relay and hot wires to that Hellcat pump, and then we're gonna be running we should be able to have the gas tank in hopefully tomorrow if we get our fittings, and then run all the fuel lines and everything up. So we're doing -8 feed all the way up, split to both rails, and then wide off both rails, and a return -8 as well back to the stock hat. So I mean, I don't know, I think that's, we put a HD hood on it also. I'll have Derek post a picture of it right here somewhere. Man, I don't really know what else to say. What else did we do? There was a couple
So
things.
I guess we can work to the back and kind of show what the secret recipe is, and I think it's over here in a box.
Oh yeah.
So let's go ahead and let's lift it up and kind of check it out.
All right.
Hi Chris, welcome to your truck underneath.
Oh yeah. All right, so if you guys take a look here, you can kind of get an idea on how I had to do the intercooler piping. So like I said, we 180'd it over the frame rails in the front. Kind of still, you know, incognito. You can see the intercooler a little bit from the front, but it's like a, you know, it's enough. But they both 180 and run back up, one in the turbo, and then obviously one in the throttle body. So this is, oh yeah, we didn't even show them. So how we did, if you peek over here, can you see good?
Yeah.
So we tapped into the, I guess this would be, if your truck was equipped with a OEM oil cooler, that's what this would be used for on my truck and a lot of others. This was not. This was just like pretty much a block off plate, so I drilled and tapped it for fitting. And that's where I ran my feed for my turbo off of. Then we had, I think we showed that we had that, I don't know, I don't remember if we did. But anyways, there's a return here somewhere for turbo. And we come back a little bit, we have a Circle D billet, single disc, 3500 stall bad boy converter. Finally got that in, and I don't know, it was like, I don't even know, I think we waited like 2.5 months for that to come in, but we finally got it. 4L80, there it is, baby. 4L80, freshly built with a, I don't even know what it was. It was it's not an HD2. It's something equivalent to an HD2 shift kit. We have, you know,
Custom bracket for
it. We made a bracket for the shift linkage. It's all in place. We're still trying to figure out wastegate placement for this. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure on that yet. That's another part of the fabrication. We have a Speed Engineering 4L60, 4L80 cross member. We have new trans mount. We converted the drive shaft over. 4L80 yoke. to a 4060 drive shaft, factory drive shaft that was in the truck. If you need a part number for that, let me know. I'll get it to you so you can get the conversion for the U-joint. And like I said, fuel tank's on the ground. That's gonna go back in when we get the fittings tomorrow or whenever they come in. And then I have to just do the wiring, run that up. So, I mean, that's literally all I have to do.
I mean, it's pretty, for the most part, it's pretty complete. We have a few more things to kind of like,
yeah, I gotta figure out,
fine tune, and then.
If you guys have any idea, if any of you guys are running the like stock driver manifold with the crossover, I'm concerned, obviously I'm not using a 38mm wastegate. I'm gonna upgrade the wastegate. But I was curious on, to me it doesn't make sense. Like, do you guys have boost creep issues? To me it seems like you would, being the passenger manifold is right off the turbo and it's still feeding the turbo and the wastegate's all the way down here. So I feel like it would vent the driver's side fine, but it's not venting the passenger side. I mean, I have a 60mm Speed Daddy wastegate we were gonna fabricate into right here, and I mean, I'm really tight on clearance up front to begin with because of the AC and everything. So I don't know. Let me know if you guys have any ideas on wastegate placement for this. I don't really have room up front to put it off of the turbo like how I wanted to. So, there's no way. Not with keeping the AC and everything with those manifolds. So I'm probably gonna try it there, and hopefully it doesn't boost creep. And if it does, hopefully it's just a little bit. So I don't know. We're gonna put it. I mean, I'm ready to get it tuned. I talked to my tuner. He's on vacation. He's supposed to be back in like this week sometime, and I was hoping to get it in as soon as I can. So, I mean, we're not far out from getting this thing driving. It's right there.
Yeah, it is.
So, everything, I mean, literally, oh, give me one second. Down here. But yeah, sorry about that. But, so we're still, like I said, we converted the drive shaft over. The rear end is completely stock, but it is the LSD already. I believe it has 355 gears in it. It's just a stock 10 bolt or whatever comes in this truck. I'm probably gonna freshen it up and just run it for now, just to start driving it, see how it does. Eventually I plan on putting something else in there when it breaks or whatever. But yeah, I pulled out all the factory fuel lines and stuff like that. So all I have to do is just run those AN lines up there. I want to do more to it, but I think that I'm done working on it for now. I just want to get it running, driving, and see.
Just have fun with it.
Yeah, I just want to see. I mean, just the 480 alone compared to what it used to be. I can imagine, you know, however much horsepower this thing's gonna make. Probably like 320, something like that. So, but I don't know. I'm gonna go. I gotta call out that Uncle Rob guy, Steepleton.
Yeah, if you're watching this,
yeah,
we're coming for you.
So, I know I talked to him a little bit. He said I was an imposter, but this thing is, you know, kind of been on the back burner for a couple of years now. But I don't know. It'll come out. I'm not all-wheel drive, so we should lock it up, dude, for sure. Next time you're in Florida, let me know. We'll see how it does. But yeah, tag him down below, everybody, if you want to see the Tahoe go up against Uncle Rob. That'd be cool.
What's this YouTube channel?
I don't know.
We'll put it right here.
Steepleton something. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Pretty sure. The guy with the Escalade, the fast ass, super pretty teal Escalade. He has Uncle Rob. God. Yeah, we definitely got to get them together, man. That would be a blast. Honestly.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Both of these trucks together, driving around Orlando, or I'll come to you, wherever. I think he's in Texas. That would just be that would be a blast. But no, I mean, the HD. Did you show him the HD front?
No, I'll show him that. So that's just got the HD hood on it right now.
Yeah.
And I think we're gonna convert it because it looks really, really, really good.
I don't know. Let me know if you guys want to see it with the full HD. I kind of wanted to. That was my original plan. Just like, I already cut all this up for the intercooler. I should have just cut the bumper and dropped it to 1.5 inches, so we could have just put it on, but I didn't. But I don't know. I might just rock it with the hood for now. I put the hood on. It was sitting in my backyard for about 2 years. Not really, about 6 months. But I put it on so it didn't get scratched up or dinged or anything. So, Dude, I was gonna tell you, when I was commenting on the 1320's Instagram post about Uncle Robert, or Rod, Uncle Rod, and someone had commented and said it's Uncle Rod's little cousin, Uncle Roberto. That shit was funny, dude. So Uncle Roberto, that was fun. I don't know, we'll see. It'd be cool to link up with those guys, but
For sure.
I gotta get. Like I said, mostly the hardest part for me, well, not hardest, but the shittiest part about it is the wiring, and now that's all I have to do is the wiring. So I'm not excited about that part of it, and I'm super OCD about the wiring, so I don't know. I gotta put the gauges in, wideband. Oh, I gotta get a boost controller also, like a AEM True Boost or something like that. Probably what I'm gonna do, but I don't know. It's gonna be slow. It's probably only gonna be on like 1 pound or 2 pounds or something like that. So I don't know, we'll see. It's gonna be I just can't wait to see. I just want to drive the thing, honestly, like just a little bit.
Just a little bit
before it breaks. But no, everything seems good. Like I said, oil pressure, you guys see the videos, it literally just, I literally, you know, primed it with a key, which kind of concerned me at first because I wasn't building oil pressure when it set for so long with the lifters in it. So I think it was just trying to like prime the lifters. And then I was like, if it doesn't have oil pressure, we'll find out. As soon as I hit the key with the fuel lines on it, I mean, instantly fired and ran, you know, 45, 50 PSI at idle. So it's hell. I mean, it seems good. It sounds great. You heard it. So it's coming out. It's gonna come out strong. So within, like, I would say, should be tuned, running, driving around back to like somewhat daily within a month at least. Like,
Yeah.
you know,
I don't see it taking any longer than that.
I got to figure out wheels and tires too. I love these wheels and tires, but
they're just a little bit too big, boy.
well, they're 33s and they're LTs, so they weigh like 120 pounds a piece. They look good and all that, but I don't know. So let me know. I might just get some lower profile because it's getting lower too. So I might just get lower profile 20s and throw them on there, but I don't know. Maybe some race stars or something if I can afford it eventually. I just don't know if it'll look goofy, like a Tahoe on race stars, like 17-inch race stars.
I'm okay with that.
It might be all right. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. So,
Yeah, definitely.
But once we get it, I swear to you, as soon as it's running and driving, you're gonna get sick of seeing this thing because we're taking it to, you know,
OSW.
every event we can possibly go to.
We're gonna try to really go to a lot of Cletus and Cars events.
Yeah.
And stuff like that.
So.
And then we're gonna autocross it a bunch too.
Huh? What? I mean, I'm down to try it. You know?
Yeah, dude, that'd be funny actually.
Tried anything once. No, not really, but
Oh gosh.
But I don't know, dude. It should be fun. It should be. It's gonna be a blast. And then I really want to clean up the interior. And all. I mean, you guys never even seen the interior. It's not horrible. It's kind of horrible. It has 300,000 miles on this chassis. I want to tint the windows, do the interior. I want to do the HD front. You know, maybe a roll pan. I'm not sure. I still want to be able to tow with it. And I want to get it painted, do the paint and body work on it, paint it back factory like maroon color. I think it'll look fantastic. It'd be really nice. So, I don't know. Stay tuned. Sorry that we didn't update you guys and we're this far along. We just had like a lot going on. And when I get time to work on it, Derek's ready to go home and vice versa. So, you know, we figured we'd catch you guys up before the truck actually runs and drives. So, I don't know. Let us know what you think. We've been busting our ass. Well, we've been busting our ass on this thing, right? So we'll see when it comes out. Should be a blast, right?
Definitely.
All right.
You guys seen it. Definitely smash the like button for the Tahoe build. Chris has been working very hard on it and I'm very proud of him. And
Thanks, man.
yeah, no problem. Anytime, bud. So definitely hit that like button down below, subscribe, and like he said, you're gonna get sick of seeing this thing because we're gonna have fun. Yeah, we made a, but these are,
You want to show them real quick?
it's actually kind of cool.
We'll show them in the next video.
Yeah, we'll show you in the next video. We made some things. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.